crafting recipe. So imagine you have your crafting recipe right here. You don't have to add this, is simply just to visualize. So you have, this is the top row of your crafting recipe, middle row, and bottom row, right? So for a pickaxe, it would look like this. Oh, sorry. I'm being silly. This is how a pickaxe would look like in your crafting recipe. And this is basically what you're doing. You see, you put the 3 X's here, and then you put an X here and an X here to make a pickaxe. But we're just making a simple all-around thing. So hopefully that made you understand it. If not, I'm going to make a tutorial on crafting recipes soon. Make sure to write in the comments your questions or concerns, and especially what you want to see next. So there you go. We just created our mod underscore file, so just save that. And then go into a mod block. Here, this is a couple more lines of code, and then you're nearly done. So here we gotta do the package thing again. Package.minecraft.source and a semicolon. Then import java.util.random semicolon. Public class name of your block, so amon block extends block. So you're basically creating a new block. Then parentheses, public, and then the name of your block again, so amon block. Then bracket, integer I, so that's just int I, int j. So these are the two integers that we're going to use for this. Then enter again, then another parentheses. Make a super constructor, which is just super, then brackets, I, j, material dot iron. You can make this material dot stone. Rock, I believe it is. Let me put then bracket and semicolon. So yeah, it's either material dot rock or iron if you want to make a ore or whatever. So I'm going to keep it as iron for this tutorial. I don't really know the effects that it has, but I'm just going to have it as iron for this tutorial. If you know why it's material.iron and rock, then please tell me. But I haven't seen a difference. I've tried both of them, and they never made a difference for me. So anyways, let's tab down here and write public int quantity dropped random. So quantity dropped bracket random bracket, then enter, another parentheses, return 1 semicolon. So right here we simply told the game that whenever you break this block, you're going to get 1 of it. So you can make this return 14, for example, just to show you guys. And then what we're gonna do is go outside of these parentheses, public int id dropped, int I, random, int j. Enter, parentheses, return mod underscore tutorial dot amon block dot block ID. Semicolon. Alright, so you are now completed with your coding part of everything, and I just did that. So basically right here what we did is we're saying that the block that's dropped when we break it is itself. So you can set this at whatever you want. You can make it so it returns dirt or whatever. But I'm going to make it drop itself. Let me go open up my mod underscore tutorial. It says there's an error. Where is the error? Ah, I misspelled resistance like a dumb. There we go. Resistance. Alright. There you have it. So that's the coding part of this tutorial. I hope you guys had fun watching this. Write any comment, concerns, or suggestions in the comments below. And I'm going to show you guys how to make your picture now. So, be right back, guys. Alright, so we are now inside of Photoshop. So what you guys got to do is create a new file. Call it amon block, for example. I just opened something. Amon block, and make it 16 by 16 pixels and have it as a transparent background. There we go, and then zoom in a little bit. And I'm going to make this look just like the gold block, but green. So what you got to do is File, Open, Modding Stuff, MCP, Temp, Bin, Minecraft, and look for Terrain. So as you can see, this is the whole texture of all of the game. So I'm going to go to the gold block. I'm going to select it here with my crop tool. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to paste it. Oh, never mind. Paste it. There you go. And then I'm going to select it, press Control U, and click Colorize. So now we can color it and make it look all fancy. So I'm going to have it green, like that, and it looks good. Alright, so there you go. We just created our block. So now what you got to do is save it as the Amon block as we set it inside Eclipse. We set it, inside MCP, we set it as amonblock.png, as you can see right here. So call it amonblock and then .png. Don't save it in here. What you got to do is save it outside of your MCP. Call it blocks, because remember that's what we sorry, we put here. We did /blocks/amonblock. So make sure that it is in a folder called blocks and save it. So there you have it. That is how you set it up. Now I'm going to show you guys if it worked, which hopefully it will. So go to modding stuff. Let me drag this in here. MCP and press recompile. So now we are recompiling our client. It's going to show us if we made any errors. Hopefully we didn't, otherwise I am pretty upset, and that's never good. So I'm probably going to have to split this up in 2 parts, because I don't think YouTube is going to allow me to upload over 15 minutes, which is a shame, but, you know, whatever. Yes, no errors, awesome. So there you go, we just recompiled it, and now to actually get it into your game, we are going to have to re-obfuscate it. You can always just start the client and have it tested out, but I'm going to actually re-obfuscate it. I'm saying that really weird. To get it set up. But first of all, if you guys just simply want to start it with your client, you would have to put your blocks. I'm just putting it on my desktop for now. Okay, let me close up my Photoshop. There we go. Put them on blocks there. What you gotta go is MCP, the bin, jars, bin, and then go to your Minecraft, open with 7-zip file manager, and then just drag blocks into here. So there you go. I'm gonna re-obfuscate it so I can show you guys how to actually get into your game. So click re-obfuscate, then let it do its magic for a while. Come on, come on. Waiting. Ah. Alright, cool. So there you go. Then go to a folder called reoff. And here you see you have the 2 class folders, class files, that you just created inside MCP. You created all this code, and you output it as a class. So then what you got to do is run, then %appdata%.minecraft, bin, then Minecraft, open it with 7-zip file manager. Again, don't worry about this stuff. I'm actually going to delete this. This is simply for the MC patcher or whatever it is, so that I can have HD textures. Alright, so then what you got to do is when you have this, just minimize that, get your reoff, select these 2 files, drag and drop them in, make sure you have ModLoader installed, and drag and drop your blocks folder right in here as well. So there you go. Now let's open up Minecraft. Come on, Minecraft. There you go. Alright, let's log in. Single player. Let's just go into an existing world, for example. There we go. Let's put it on peaceful so we don't get eaten alive. I believe I have some dirt in my... I don't have any dirt. That's just great. Alright, I'm gonna throw some useless arrows. No one needs arrows. Alright. There we go. Let's break a couple more dirts so I can make this amazing Amon block. So go into your crafting crafting bench, then do it as I showed you. So a bunch of dirt, and there you go. You just made it an Amani block. Yay! And as I said it, it's going to drop 14 of them when you break it, or not. What the heck? Did I not set as 14? Give me a second. Well, I guess it doesn't make a difference if you put return 14 or not. So there you go. We just both learned something. So there you go. The mod works. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please leave any comments, concerns, questions in the comment section below. Check out my forums where I'll be posting written tutorials, which should be less crazy and you don't have to hear my incredible voice. So anyways, thanks a lot for watching, guys, and yeah, see you in my next modding tutorial. Look at this block. It's amazing. Bye.